Acá in the top right there. No, acá in the top right there.
Oh, that one right here.
That's the
Okay, I
light
see it,
And
yeah.
the head. And your head. Let me put the light. Yeah.
Okay.
You see?
Right here. Okay,
Yeah.
that green. Oh,
Yeah,
so that's the
air
Freon.
condition, yeah, the Freon, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, is it like it might be like a hose problem
Yeah, it's
thing?
the hose. It's the hose, more like a hose, because the oil comes from here, but I think it's more like la Freon.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's not like a AC compressor kind of
No,
thing.
it's not a compressor, it's the line.
Okay, it's the line.
Yeah, the line.
So that should be like a cheap, easy fix. Right?
Yeah, probably it's not so expensive, I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's right there. It's not the water.
All right.
That's a
Cool.
good thing for me.
Yeah. Hey, for my pocket too. Shoot.
No, like I said, for me, because if he has the water pump, I need to take it apart again.
Oh yeah,
It's good for me. Yeah, but yesterday or the day you come, I check it and don't look like a water. It's more like something
Like,
else. Yeah.
So so you wanna check that hole or you want
The hole, I need to see if it's the low pressure or high pressure. Yeah. Because you got two different ones, the low pressure and the high pressure, and I need to find out what.
Okay,
which one
yeah.
is.
Okay.
Yeah.